stop. Move, move! Mine!
Save now, before December 31st.
Light show, only on YouTube.
This is an announcement video. And I lead a fairly private life outside of this YouTube channel. I don't really post on Facebook. I check Instagram every so often. Some of you guys that know me know me. Otherwise, you know me from this YouTube channel. So judging by the title of this video and the thumbnail, you guys probably already know what's going on. If you're keen, you probably understand a while back I got this GTI and I mentioned how I needed 4 doors and I needed more cargo space. This is the reason why. When this video goes live, I'm actually at the hospital right now, probably welcoming our first baby to the family. So this is kind of the real reason why I got this car, at least looked for a new car. I mean, the Miata could have easily been started on and I wouldn't have been missing anything by not having that car during quarantine. But given the circumstances, this was a pretty good excuse to pick up a new car. I know I don't do too many like life updates or anything on this channel, and this channel isn't about life updates. You know, I sprinkle in some vlogs here and there, and I'm sure I'll start doing a little bit more of that moving forward. But I was just excited, and I felt like it was important to you guys to know maybe where I've been, what I've been up to, and it's a big life update, so I figured I would share it with you all on YouTube here. So as I said earlier, I'm probably at the hospital right now. We are having a baby daughter, and it's our very first kid in the family. My wife and I have been married for 3 years now, 2 years now. I don't know, she's probably gonna get mad if she watches this that I can't remember, but it's 2 or 3 years. Feels like a lifetime, so that's the important part. But we just felt that it was time to expand the family, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're both incredibly excited, and it's really hard to put into words. It's definitely hard to put into this video how excited we are, but I can't really speak to it. So what does that mean for you guys? Well, nothing. I just wanted to share this bit of news with you. The videos might slow down. Obviously, those who have kids probably are well aware of how kids work. They don't work on their own schedule. I, of course, have no idea because I've never been a dad before, and I'm going to be learning that. It's time to maybe take a little step back from the hobbies this first, few weeks. I am taking some time off of work. So I'm hoping I have a couple videos scheduled for you guys and you can keep up with things, but I might miss 1 or 2, and I'm sure you'll be able to understand why. So that's what's going on in my life. We've got a kid on the way, probably here right now as you're watching this video. And it's gonna be fun. I don't know how long this YouTube thing will last. I want to keep doing it for as long as I can because I enjoy it so much. So, obviously, kids are funny. Kids are fun. Maybe it'd be cool to take our girl to an autocross someday or something like that. I don't know. It's all just wishful thinking. And like I said, it's just exciting and really looking forward to a new chapter in my life and being able to experience something new. So thank you all for checking out this little video. Thank you for your understanding in my delays of video making, if that is the case. I appreciate all of you who have subscribed to the channel and like the videos and comment on the videos. And I know that some of you are probably pretty excited for the news. Some of you know already, and you've shared your excitement and congratulations. And as much as a private person that I am, and I don't share too many things with the outside world, now all of you know, and it really, it warms my heart knowing that so many people are excited, and it just makes me feel good to share some exciting news with you all, because I mean, I spend every weekend with you guys. A lot of you I haven't met in person, but you know, judging by your comments and things like that, I feel like I know most of you, and I wanted to share this with you guys. I feel like it would be unfair not to share such a big moment of my life on this channel. So with that being said, I will go back to the YouTube shill. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for the exciting news. But thank you so much for watching. I know this was a little short video, and I know it wasn't a GTI install of a day or anything like that. You know, I just wanted to take the weekend off and make a video like this to share with you guys. So if you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subscriber on the channel as we work our way towards 5,000 subscribers, which is absolutely huge. Go ahead and leave a comment below if you're excited, and check me out on Instagram. I'll probably post a few things on Instagram regarding this whole thing, so be sure to follow me on Instagram. It is @coloredinlight, just like everything else, all the other social media channels. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.